두쫑쿠 Dubai chewy cookie. This is super trendy in Korea and finally I got it. I'm seeing it all over my For You page. So let's try it together. Yeah. Wow, but it's $10. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Inside, it has pistachio and kadaif. My lips. It's very chewy and also really sweet.
Cute and
It's really 쫀득 and also really savory. This Dubai 쫀득 cookie is not shimmering down, also even getting crazier. But it's so good. Honestly, it's 10 out of 10. If you come to Korea, please try this. Oh my god. Stay tuned, 언니. 사랑해.